Today I'm going to show you 3 AI tools that can help you start making money online right now. These aren't just random tools. These are the ones I personally use and recommend to beginners. First up is Copy.ai. This tool writes professional marketing copy in seconds. You can offer copywriting services to local businesses and charge anywhere from $50 to $200 per project. Next, we have ChatGPT, the most versatile AI assistant available. You can use it to create course outlines, write blog posts, or offer consulting services. Many people are making hundreds of dollars monthly just by offering ChatGPT services to businesses. Finally, we have DALL-E for image creation. You can create logos, social media graphics, or custom artwork for clients. Digital artists are charging $25 to $100 per custom image. That's 3 simple tools to get you started with AI. Subscribe for more AI money-making tips.